Well, a lot of people have been asking about the PR7 tablet. It's just an ordinary tablet, an ASUS thing. At the moment I'm videoing myself off the tablet with its own little camera in the corner down there. That's just something I chipped out a bit to expose that. I've videoed myself riding, for instance. Now what can we do with the tablet? Let's have a look at a few things. Get rid of this hideous face. This is the primary use of the tablet. It's the navigator. Now that's Glasshouse Mountains. It's got some ability, like those are dirt tracks, they're not proper roads, and it has the ability in this particular app to route planner. So here's a route planner through the dirt tracks. If I want to go from here to there, over to here. There, I went back up the track and over to there. This thing will happily, let's go over to here somewhere. There we go, took the same route. And maybe over to there. So this thing allows me to plan a route and then follow it. This is what I have up all the time. So what else can it do? I've got the Husqvarna 500-page service manual. I can find out all about that. Or my own bike manual. The Husqvarna manual's got service information. Yada 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 yada. That's about the Husky, because I'm interested in that because of the engine. What else have I got? When I load my maps, I can get them either from email. Someone can just email me a map, that's no problem at all. And I load it down, or I can get the map off the web. There we go. So I can load any of them straight off the web. I don't have to get off my tablet. If you want a silly Speedo, that's Thunder Speedo. It's just a free app off the web. If you don't like that Speedo, you can have that Speedo or some other Speedo. It's not worth having that when you miss out on the navigator. I keep the navigator up all the time. And what else? I mean, I managed to film myself riding. This looks ridiculous, but have a look at this. Go. Looks kind of stupid. This is a $200 device. It's cheap. It's an ASUS tablet. I think they've moved off to Samsung tablets now. It doesn't really matter. The whole idea is that there was a tablet put there. It does a very good job. I would not remove that for the sake of a Garmin, not in a pink fit. So my tablet, I've pushed it down. I've cut the top panel off it. I like seeing through the windscreen. I've put a switch on the side. I can't see what my video's videoing, but I've put a switch on the side to turn it on. That's the only way I turn it on. Let's go back to the home screen. I don't have the modern home screen, I've got the older one. And this has also, which not many bikes have under here, USB charger, but it has no purpose since the tablet does everything. Maybe I could charge my phone if I like. This thing will also hotspot to the phone if you want to use Google Maps. If I want to plan a route on Google Maps, I'd have to hotspot. It's all there. I can use whatever mapping program I want, it doesn't matter. So there we go, and I just turn off the switch and then it parks itself. The only AJP app is that it has this function of parking itself when the power goes off and putting a little pretty AJP symbol. Good night everyone.